Murkrow rules the house. Murkrow! Pigs in the aviary. No barking! Shush! Here's Bella, the new piggy. No barking. No barking. Here's Bella. Here's Bella. No. There's Belly. Here's Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella, girl. Hello, sweet. Hello, sweetie. Hello, sweetie. Hello, sweetie. This is. Here's a good pig. Here's a good pig. Bella. Here's her little Bella. Who's her little face? Who's her little face? Okay, what's going on over here? Pig, those are new papers. Oh, and there's Steve. What? There's Jack and Edgar. Oh, it's crazy. And Murkrow. Murkrow rules the house, don't you, Murk? Don't you, Murkrow? Rule the house? Do you rule the house? Do you? Huh? Yes? Okay, I know that.